Okay, I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go. So in the legal stuff section, we have some monkey wrench macros. Don't fucking type these. Then down in data by system in the EG state section, down within EG state for when we're running as a game. This is the bomb state enumeration. G16 for the V16 for geometry. B16 for the V16 for a bomb. F16, we're not gonna fucking use this. V16, we're not gonna fucking use this. Remember, we combined these two things to get the V16 for a fatatile. Let's go down to the next section. In bomb thought, this is our simulation putter for putting a bomb into the tile map. It's shared by both bomb simp and bomb hard. We're stripping off the eyes so that it's going to be easier to do the math in another video. We should not be updating any data structures that are parallel to the tile map in bomb thought. Okay, let's go down to the next section. Bomb hard. This is the bomb hard tile putter that puts a bomb into the tile map. All of these parameters are in the exact same order as all of these parameters. Pause to read that. I don't got no fucking time. Stripping off the eyes so that we can call the shared bomb thought putter right here, then updating any parallel data structures like linked lists right down there, and then bomb simp, the simple tile setter, or the simple bomb simulation code, the simple simulation code. Simulation putting a bomb into the tile map at this tile size, this address, this bomb value, this bomb state. So all these parameters in the same order as these, and then down here, stripping off the eyes, and then calling the bomb thought shared putter used by both bomb simp and bomb hard. Update any linked lists or optimization data structures here. And then in bomb auth, we have some monkey wrench macros here. Then we have the bomb auth putter that puts a bomb tile into the tile map, this tile size, GTX, GTY, V16, and the the bomb state. So these things right here, same order right here. Then down here, we need to know which mode we're in, and then this is the flag for simple mode, flag for hard mode. This is the hard putter function pointer, simple putter function pointer. If we're in hard mode, we use the hard putter. If we're in simple mode, we use the simple putter. And then down here in keyboard fuck around modes, where we're putting something into the tile map of this size at this GTX GTY, if we scroll down here, if we're setting bombs, we're going to get the B16 for the bomb and the bomb state right here carried over. A B16 is a V16, and then we're going to call the bomb auth simulation putter for putting a bomb into the tile map right here. And we are fucking done. We're fucking done. End the recording.